So, you finally finish building your dream PC, hit the power button, and something's wrong. No display, it won't boot. Or even worse, your CPU instantly shoots up to 100 degrees Celsius. Here are 7 mistakes that catch way more people than you'd think. Number 1. First up, the classic one. Forgetting to remove the plastic film from the CPU cooler. It sounds ridiculous until it happens to you. That tiny piece of plastic blocks proper heat transfer, and suddenly your CPU is sitting at 100 degrees Celsius while gaming. Number 2. Another common mistake is not mounting the CPU cooler properly. If it's not tightened down evenly, it won't make good contact with the CPU. That means higher temperatures, poor performance, and sometimes random shutdowns. Number 3. Next is the RAM. If you install it in the wrong slots, or don't push it in all the way, your PC might not even boot. And once it does, don't forget to enable XMP or Expo in the BIOS, or your expensive RAM won't run at its advertised speed. Number 4. Here's one almost every first-time builder makes. You plug your monitor into the motherboard instead of the graphics card. Then you spend the next hour wondering why there's no display. If you have a dedicated GPU, your monitor should be plugged into that. Number 5. Before you assume something's broken, check your power cables. A loose CPU power cable, or forgetting the GPU power connector, is enough to stop the whole system from working. It happens way more often than you'd expect. Number 6. And please, check compatibility before you buy your parts. Make sure your CPU works with your motherboard, your RAM is supported, and your graphics card and CPU cooler actually fit inside your case. It'll save you a lot of headaches. Last one, don't forget the I/O shield before installing the motherboard. Realizing it's still sitting on your desk after you finish the build is painful. And while you're at it, spend a few extra minutes on cable management. Bonus pro tip. Here's one people don't talk about enough. Don't cheap out on your power supply. I've seen people spend a fortune on the CPU and graphics card, then buy a cheap or used power supply to save a few bucks. A quality PSU protects every single component in your PC. If your budget allows, buy a brand new power supply from a trusted brand. It's one of the smartest investments you can make. If you're building a PC for the first time, avoiding these mistakes can save you hours of troubleshooting. Which one have you made before? Let me know in the comments and follow for more PC building tips.